Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 4. This week we're going to talk about special interest groups in healthcare and nursing. Some special interest groups that are applicable to both are the American Nurses Association, the American Medical Association, the AARP, the American Hospital Association, the National Nurses Union, and some other of the state constituents. Planned Parenthood could be considered a special interest group, American Insurance Association, the AACN, and the NAACP. And of course, there's many more, but here are just a few examples. So what is a special interest group? Basically just a group of people or an organization that are looking to receive special advantages, typically through political lobbying. Lobbying is a way to influence the lawmaking process by trying to convince the lawmakers to vote as you want them to, and a lobbyist is a person who tries to influence them. This little picture depicts some money changing hands because oftentimes it does involve financial contributions. Do you think money and influence can affect important policies such as the Affordable Care Act? Take a look at this link. I'm going to post it as a separate link so that you'll be able to click on it in the announcement. The ANA, I said, was a special interest group for nurses. It's an organization representing the interests of our 3.6 million registered nurses in the nation. It advances the nursing profession by fostering high standards of nursing practice, promoting a safe and ethical work environment, bolstering the health and wellness of nurses, and advocating on healthcare issues that affect nurses and the community. They are also involved in credentialing and policy and advocacy. I just want to mention this because whenever I teach this course, sometimes students get a little bit mixed up. So the American Nurses Association has state constituents in each state. The American Nurses Association, Massachusetts, is the ANA state branch for Massachusetts, which is where Bay Path is located and many of us live. The MNA is the Massachusetts Nurses Association, and they are a bargaining unit. They are not the state constituent for the ANA. The MNA used to be the state constituent for the ANA, but they voted to disaffiliate from ANA back in 2001. Whoops. They believe that continuing their affiliation with the ANA would threaten their collective bargaining rights. The ANA itself is not a collective bargaining union, but it does support bargaining unions. And then the last thing that I just want to point out about this is the ANA and the MNA did have differing views on the issue of safe staffing when it came to Massachusetts' vote on that last year. So have a good week. Please get in touch with me if you have any questions about the assignment, and I will see you guys all online. Thanks.